In this video, I will show you how to delete your Rise of Kingdom account. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you need to do is open up your mobile browser and come across to google.com. In the search box, you just want to put Rise of Kingdom support email, and this should bring up the direct email that you're going to need to message to delete your account. So what you want to do is go ahead and copy this from here. And then what you want to do is open up your email. So at this point, I just want to mention quickly that when you send the email, it needs to come from the email account, which is linked to your Rise of Kingdom account. So what you want to do is go ahead and paste the email address into here. And in the subject box, just go ahead and put delete account. Next, in the actual email body, what you want to put is something similar to this. You don't have to copy it word for word, but if you just put something like this, hey, please, can you delete my Rise of Kingdoms account, because then you want to put the reason for deleting your account. After that, go ahead and put my details are as follows, and then what you want to enter is your username, your email, phone number, and your last logged in location. Once that's done, just go ahead and put thanks and send that through. So once you've done that, what will happen is the team at Rise of Kingdoms will look into your email and they'll email you back and go ahead and help you to get your account deleted. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.